Hello everyone! Welcome to our English vocabulary lesson. Today you will learn fog light vocabulary words with pictures and easy pronunciation. Let's get started. Fog light. Front fog light. Rear fog light. LED fog light. Halogen fog light. HID fog light. Laser fog light. Projector fog light. Reflector fog light. Yellow fog light. Amber fog light. Fog light bulb. Fog light housing. Fog light lens. Fog light bezel. Fog light cover. Fog light bracket. Fog light mount. Fog light switch. Fog light relay. Fog light fuse. Fog light wiring. Fog light connector. Fog light socket. Fog light kit. Fog light adapter. Fog light module. Fog light frame. Fog light clip. Fog light gasket. Fog light trim. Fog light ring. Fog light mounting screw. Fog light driver. Fog light ballast. Fog light projector lens. Fog light reflector. Fog light adjustment screw. Fog light extension wire. Fog light replacement bulb.